women to be in the music business give up more than you'd ever know. She's got kids she gave up. Any woman gives up home life, an old man probably, because you're so crazy on planes and goony and you never find them again. You give up a home and friends. You give up children and friends. You give up an old man and friends. You give up any constant in the world except music. That's the only thing you got, man. After you boil it down, the only thing you got left in the world is that music, man. And so for a woman to sing, she really needs to or wants to. A man can do it as a gig because he knows he can get laid tonight. And no woman that I know, I mean, at least me, I don't want an ass kisser. I want a cat that's bigger, stronger, and ballsier than me. And when I'm pulling my shit as a singer, it's hard to find them.
Yeah, you know.
Because the only kind of cats that hang around dressing rooms are flunkies. And those are the only kind of cats you meet.